Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, we are live in front of the Orlando Public Library, which is where the Melrose Center is at. It's where we're hosting our live in-person event. So first of all, I want to thank you for grabbing your ticket and joining us, deciding to join us. We do have a parking garage that is here on Central Boulevard. So I'm just going to show you where you can park directly across the street from the Orlando Public Library. And we're actually gonna go ahead and go inside, show you how to get to the Melrose Center because it's on the second floor. So once you exit the parking garage that is right across the street, there's a little walkway here where vehicles do have the state law to yield to pedestrians. The Orlando Public Library is a 290,000 square foot structure. So if you don't know where things are in this building, you could get lost. So the Melrose Center is a 26,000 square foot area or venue, I guess you can say, on the second floor of the Orlando Public Library. So the address is the same, but it's on the second level. So we're gonna show you two ways to get upstairs. The first way is going to be the elevator. And then after we go up in the elevator, we're gonna come back down and show you guys how to take the stairs. All right, so this is the Melrose Center. It is a technology, innovation, and creativity center, co-worker space for creatives, and there are studio spaces as well, which we're gonna be walking you through. So this is the second floor. Let's go ahead and take them downstairs. We're gonna take the elevator back down just to show you the second option you have to make it up here. And then we will go ahead and show you the rest of the Melrose Center here. All right, so that was the elevator. We're now gonna go on up through the stairs. And then we're gonna go ahead and walk you to where we're gonna be hosting the home buyer seminar coming up. And again, for everybody who's coming, I just wanna say I appreciate you. Looking forward to sharing all of the insight and valuable information. The Melrose Center is the main venue of choice that we have here to share this information with you. All right, so essentially you just witnessed us checking in to the Melrose Center. All right, so for those of you who are not Orange County residents or have a library card, the Melrose Center is a separate membership. So what happened there was we checked in with our library cards. They just verified that we were Melrose Center members, and they gave us these pink wristbands. So they have colors assigned to different days of the week. And it was as simple as that. All we had to do was scan our card, get our wristbands, and boom, we have access to what is the Melrose Center. So for those of you who are guests who are not Orange County residents with a library card, or you're not a Melrose Center member, then we're gonna have to meet you at the front. One of us is gonna have to meet you at the front as one of our guests and get you checked in for the event. So just so you're aware, if they do hold you up at the front, that is the reason why. So it doesn't cost you anything to get your library card or to become a Melrose Center member. So I would suggest you do that, especially if you are an Orange County resident. You have access to everything you see here for absolutely free. So come on over here to this corner. This is the LED wall that we've used for the business, the small business marketing workshop. And this is where we're gonna be hosting the home buyer seminar. So just be sure you watch this video if you need to understand how to get to the Melrose Center, how to get specifically to this room, and we look forward to seeing you on the other side. Bye.